I am Damian Cross, the owner of the Cross Empire. But now I stand alone. Sometimes you have to fall hard to see who really stands by you at the bottom. The empire is still mine, and I'm coming for it. They say money can't buy happiness, but poverty buys you nothing but silence. Yesterday I owned this city. Today, the bank took the house, the cars, the legacy. I am standing in the rain with $0. Most people would quit, but they forgot one thing. You can take my money, but you can't take my mind. I have 30 days to survive. I don't have time for stocks or crypto. I need cash, fast. I found a cheap room, a mattress, a laptop, and a Wi-Fi connection. This is my new Batcave. The plan is simple. Service arbitrage. I didn't write the code. I didn't design the logos. I became the bridge. I found clients on LinkedIn who were desperate for results, and I hired experts on Upwork to do the work for cheap. I sold a project for $1,000, paid the freelancer $300, and kept the $700. Pure profit. No inventory, no risk. Day 29, 3 a.m. Ding. Payment received. I made my rent. It's not $1 million yet, but it's proof. The bank took my house, but they couldn't kill my hustle. I am back in the game.